Match. Your whole world is crashing down. The one person you love most is slipping away. What would you do? That's exactly where Jairus, a respected synagogue leader, found himself. His little girl was dying. He pushed through a massive crowd, fell at Jesus' feet, and begged him to come and heal her. But then, the worst possible news arrived. A messenger came and said, "Your daughter is dead. Why bother the teacher anymore?" Can you feel that crushing weight? In that moment of absolute despair, what would you have done? Would you have given up? Jesus looked at Jairus and said two simple but powerful words, "Don't be afraid. Just believe." He went to the house, took the girl by the hand, and said, "Little girl, I say to you, get up." And she did. She stood up and started walking around. This incredible miracle showed everyone there that with faith, even the most impossible situations can be turned around. It's a powerful reminder that hope can shine even in the darkest moments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.